Get ready to hit the boulevard in style with the Hot Wheels Boulevard 2024 Mix 3. This exciting assortment, coded W, delivers a curated selection of iconic vehicles that will elevate any collection. Each case of 5 includes '99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Experience the power and performance of this legendary truck, known for its sleek design and impressive speed. '1955 Plymouth Savoy, Motortrend Hot Rod Garage. Step back in time with this classic Plymouth, a tribute to the golden age of American hot rodding. Porsche 964. Embrace the precision and elegance of Porsche engineering with this iconic sports car, beloved by enthusiasts worldwide. '86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Feel the nostalgia with this vintage drag racing legend, ready to tear up the strip with its raw power. '24 Honda Civic Type R, Spoon. Dominate the streets with this high-performance Civic, tuned to perfection by legendary tuning house Spoon Sports.